Hey Posh babies, welcome to my room. Okay, so you guys, when you first come into my room, it may not seem all that fancy to y'all, but it is to me. So I'm gonna tell you about it anyway. So I have these vinyls here that I got off of Amazon. They were like, I want to say about $14 to $20. I don't know the exact price, but I'll insert it in the description, so that's fine. But I have these vinyls, and I kind of like did this kind of design, and I think it's kind of cute because it gives you like a little bit of a mirror, and it gives like a nice little look to the room. So next, you guys, is, it's not that fancy, but my dresser, right? My dresser. So it was given to me as a gift, but what I really love about it is, one, I have this right here, which, you know, I can keep all my personal things locked in, and it has keys, so you know, if anybody come over and y'all think y'all gonna steal, y'all not, okay? And then when I back up, as you can see, I have this right here. I'm not gonna open it, but I keep all of my like personal things in here, like all of my stockpiles for like my tissues and different things like that. So yeah, it's one thing that I truly love about this dresser. So here's my TV. It's a 32-inch, but that's not the main focus. The main focus is my Hue play bars that is behind the TV. They come in a pair of 2, or you can get them one at a time. However, the reason why I love them is because you can have them multiple colors at one time, which gives that beautiful look behind the TV that I love. But even if it's not behind the TV, you can put it behind your bed, your dresser, your nightstand, whatever you want to do, or you can have them both the same color. It's all up to you. So this is my mirror. This is where I like to take my little pictures and things. But if you move back, we have my kitty's little house that they love to sleep in. They take turns and things. But this, you guys, this is my key component, which you guys are always highly mentioning all the time. This is my nano lights that's always in my background when I do my sit down videos. And of course you guys can't see it. However, this is supposed to be a musical note, but I will be adding more lights to it to do like a different design. And one thing that I definitely love about this is that you can redesign it to be however you want. And if you're wondering, this is 15 panels. However, even though I have the 15 panel, it does come in 9 panels as a starter kit as well, and you could just add on to that in the future. And as you can see, I'm scrolling through the app with many different scenes and options that you have, and you can even customize it to be how you want it to be. There's so many options, hundreds of it. However, for copyright reasons, I decided not to insert the music that I am listening to at the present moment. But Nanoleaf does have a rhythm mode, or they call it Nanoleaf Rhythm, which is the more professional way of saying it, but I call it the rhythm mode or music mode, however you want to call it. But you can customize that as well. They have different options and different scenes that will go to whatever music you're listening to, and that's something else that I love. Okay, you guys, come this way. So over here is where I usually keep all of my YouTube recording stuff, but we'll talk about that in another video. So let's go over here where I like to call my little space. So this is nicely organized. It's my organizer that has like all my hair essentials, earrings, makeup, everything. But you know, it's a makeup organizer that I kind of use for like multi-purpose reasons. I also have my iPad right here that I always get on first thing in the morning, afternoon, it doesn't matter, and go over any YouTube ideas or maybe even editing. And then over this way is some of my little teddy bears that I was given as gifts. Now you guys, this part is something that's truly dear to me, and it is this. This is my canvas right here that I truly love. It gives me so much joy, and when I'm feeling a little down or I need some kind of key words that just pop out and makes me feel a little bit uplifted, I can always depend on this canvas. I like to call it my Louis canvas, and it has so many positive things that just comes with it that just stands out. It's like the point of the room, and I really love it because it has different colors that, you know, any bedding that you use, it can go with it. Any theme that you try to go with the room, I feel like it matches up. It just fits the room overall, and it just brings so much joy to my heart. And if you guys want to know where I got it from, I'll definitely drop it in the description below. Now, guys, this is the key jewel to my room that controls all of my smart lights. This is the Google Home, or the original Google Home that has now been discontinued, but I love it because it controls all the smart lights that I have in my home, especially in my room. And some of those listed is the play bars that you saw at the beginning, which is also by Hue, the Nanoleaf, and my Hue lights, which, as you can see in the insert, you'll say, hey blank, and then, you know, insert whatever you want her to do, whether that is turn on the lights. And in my case, it's usually me telling her to turn on the Hue light, or if I wanted her to control just the Nano light. And I do have Govee lights that's around my bed, and as you can see in this insert, I was telling her to change the light colors, and she did that because I do have all of my lights set up with Google, so she can literally control all of my lights all at one time, all through one little device. Now, even if you get like the newer Googles, the ones that's not discontinued, they all do the same thing. However, this is what I love. So you guys, that is my room, and I hope you guys enjoyed my room, because y'all my virtual family and y'all came to see me. It's like, I'm just kidding, but really, y'all came to see my room. Some of you guys been asking to see my room for a minute, so I hope that you guys truly enjoyed this video. If you're not a part of the Posh family, go ahead and click that subscribe button down there, especially if you enjoyed this video. Please don't leave and not click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this in the future. And I want you guys to also drop a comment below if you watched this video to its entirety on if I should do a giveaway or not, because maybe I will for the smart lights. Who knows? We'll see next time. However, I love you guys, and it is about time for you guys to go. Okay, bye you guys, and see you on the next video. Peace out.